Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X6 oil service. First, insert your key and press the Start/Stop button once without pressing the brake pedal. This turns on the ignition. Wait a few seconds for any initial warning lights on your dashboard to disappear. Now, locate the small black reset button on the lower left side of your instrument cluster. With the ignition on, press and hold that black button on the instrument cluster for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the trip meter reset initially, but continue holding it down. After a brief moment, the service menu will then appear on your display. Once this menu is clearly visible, you can release the button to proceed to the next step. Now, briefly press the same black button repeatedly to cycle through the various service items until engine oil is displayed. Once engine oil is highlighted, press and hold the button again. The display will then show Reset with a question mark. To confirm, press and hold the button one more time until the reset process begins. Keep holding the button until the display confirms reset successful and shows the new service interval. Once confirmed, you can release the button and turn off your BMW X6 completely. Starting your car again should show the oil service light is off. Remember, regular maintenance is key for your vehicle's longevity. For more great deals and to find the link to the simple path to wealth check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.